Hello everyone! It's been a while I upload a new video. Today is a special day, because I received a present. It is a mystery box and I wanted to share the unboxing with you today. Let's find out what is inside my mystery box gift. It's a green box. I'm getting excited. Wow! Look at what I have inside! It looks like some Squishies toys. I love Squishies. Do you like Squishies? Here we go! Let's see what is inside those bubble wrappers. This little Squishies looks like a tiny car. It has a pair of cute eyes. This next Squishies is also a tiny car Squishies. Its eyes are blue. Maybe they are blue sunglasses. Cool! This Squishies is an animal Buns Squishies. It has a happy-faced cute kitten, made into a tasty bun. It's a little slow rising. This has a face of a cute little bear. The bear looks really adorable. It is also slow rising. Which Squishies do you like? Tell me in the comments below. If you like my video, why not click on the subscribe button, and share with your friends? I'm sure your friends will like what you watch here. Be sure to visit my channel for new video uploads.